What to do if you can't find R-290 refrigerant for a refrigerator or freezer. It's important to mention that there is no refrigerant specifically designed to replace R-290. R-290 is one of the most efficient refrigerants, so any substitution, even if it achieves cooling, will result in a loss of efficiency in the equipment. In this video, we will analyze the key aspects to consider when someone decides to replace R-290 with another hydrocarbon gas, such as R-600A. 1. The compressor designed for R-290, with the same electrical power, has a smaller displacement volume than an R-600A compressor of the same power. Therefore, when using R-600A in a compressor originally designed for R-290, the volumetric flow in the evaporator will be lower, slightly reducing the cooling capacity of the equipment. 2. When switching refrigerants, a significant increase in discharge temperature at the compressor outlet will be observed, in some cases exceeding 15 degrees Celsius (59 degrees Fahrenheit). 3. It is not necessary to change the compressor oil when replacing R-290 with R-600A, as both refrigerants are compatible with the same oils. 4. The main challenge in switching from R-290 to R-600A is reaching the normal working pressures of R-600A with an adequate current consumption. This happens because the mass flow rate sucked by the old compressor, now with R-600A, will be significantly lower due to the lower density of R-600A compared to R-290. As a result, the original capillary tube may not be suitable, and its dimensions might need to be adjusted to match the new mass flow rate. 5. For the same diameter, capillary tubes used in systems originally designed for R-290 are typically longer than those for R-600A with the same cooling or electrical capacity. Since the mass flow rate with R-600A will be lower than expected in a system originally designed for R-290, it is recommended to reduce the capillary length by approximately 30% during the initial test, and observe if the normal R-600A working pressures are reached at the operating temperature. 6. The refrigerant charge can be done in either liquid or vapor phase without issues. 7. Do not charge by weight, as refrigerant gases have different densities, and the charge weight will change significantly. For this reason, charging should be done by pressure, while constantly monitoring the equipment's current consumption with a clamp meter, ensuring that the current does not exceed the original equipment's rated consumption. 8. On screen, we display the working pressures of both refrigerants for reference.